Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the real grade Unit 02 from Evangelion. Now this was sent over by my friend Death from Galactic Toys. You can definitely head over, check them out. There is a link down below, galactictoys.com. Use code Starshadow for 10% off anything over there. I'm going to give you a look at what comes inside the box, and then we're going to close this out. Now, I will say ahead of time, if you've done one real grade Evangelion kit, you've pretty much done all of them. The differences are color and the heads and the weapons. That's about the only real difference. I've seen a couple people that have done fantastic repaints on these, and I actually think they should be painted. Otherwise, left in the regular plastic, they look like plastic. Without further ado, let's jump down to the table and take a look. All right, so here we are with the real grade 02. This, of course, is the Evangelion 2020 edition with our little foil symbol up here. I believe this did originally come from Bluefin because they are the distributor for the United States. I do love this unit. We need a good Berserk model of this, and I am sorry, pretty much no matter what I do, I end up getting glare on this. You get some nice shots from the side here with poses, getting a pile of the runners, the decals. On the other side, you get some more shots, and let's take a look at what comes in the box. Taking off the lid, we are going to be greeted with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and an instruction manual. All right, first and foremost, we're going to go over the sheet of stickers, and as with every real grade, you do get some metallic ones. These are super shiny. You get some nice, I don't know if it's going to show up in the camera, nice metallic red dots here. Lots and lots of little decals. You can use these. You can get water slides if you choose, but probably going to end up using these. Next up is going to be the instruction manual. We're going to go through this fairly quickly. We're not going to spend a lot of time on it. So you get the same artwork as you do on the front of the box. You get page 2 and 3, which is all your runner layouts. You get some nice story and info over here. You get you started on the body. I do like the fact that they started doing like basically the hot pink parts to watch what gets put together and how. Page 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, showing you how the armor actually moves in conjunction with the rest of the arm. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and the back where all the decals and all of that good stuff goes. Now, the only reason I'm going through this backlog of kits and showing you guys everything is because I can hear Leon's voice in the back of my head. Come on, Dave. Come on, just do it, man. Come on, just do it. Quit being lazy. Come on, man. Just do it. So thank you, and thank Leon for making me do these. All right, over here we have Runner A, and this is in a bright red. Runner B, this is going to be more armor pieces, and this is going to be in the same red. Runner B2, this is going to be in the bright yellow. Runner C is going to be in a dark gray, and this is going to be mostly frame parts, weapon parts, things like that. Got some joints. Runner D is going to be in that dark gray, and I do kind of like this because this is in a matte finish, and this is going to be like joint covers, parts of legs, parts of arms. Runner E is going to be in a bright white. Runner F1, this is going to be in, I want to call it a gray, a metallic gray, but we'll just call it a dark gray. Runner F2 is going to be in a kind of darker red, I think, than the first runner, but this is going to be Runner F2. Runner G1, this is going to be in that bright white again. This is going to be chest armor pieces, I think shoulders and for the knees. G2 is going to be in that red again, and this is going to be, I think, leg parts and shoulder parts. H1 is in a bright yellow. On contrast, H2 is going to be in that sandy tan color. I1 is going to be in a brown color over here. I2 again in that mustardy yellow. Runner J over here, this is going to have rifle. This is going to have rifle parts. All of your hands on here, and then you have the injection tube over here on the side all by its lonesome. Runner K, this is going to be in Bandai's famous silver. We got some swirls in there, people. Runner L is going to be a clear piece. Runner N, this is going to be in that matte gray color with some yellow up here at the top. Runner O, you get more yellow up here. You have green over here. You have red over here. Runner Q, I don't know exactly how to describe this color. It's almost like a baby blue gray. You get, of course, the lavender part, more hands over here, yellow, red. R1, these are going to be your eyepieces. These are in that fluorescent green. R2 is going to be head parts. S is going to be in white. T1 is going to be blades and a part over here and another one here. This is going to be in dark gray. T2, this is going to be in a kind of medium blue gray color. Last but not least, the umbilical cord. All right, so in closing, you get 25 runners, 1 sticker sheet, 1 umbilical cord, 1 instruction booklet, and that's it. Like I said in the beginning, if you've done one of these I can't even talk tonight. If you've done one of these real grade EVA kits, you've pretty much done them all. They're very, very similar, pretty much all the same body styles. The only differences are going to be changes in the head and changes in the weapons. And of course the colors too. I think that this is going to look really great. This would look better. The red that's in this kit makes it look plasticky. I would at least flat coat it, but I would probably paint it if I were you. It would make it look so much better. Definitely stay tuned. I don't know if I'm going to build this one up. Probably not, because I've already done one EVA kit and I have so much stuff to work on. Definitely stay tuned. We have more unboxings and reviews coming. I'm going to keep cranking them out as long as you keep hitting that like button. Thank you, Leon, for pushing me to do all these unboxings that I have piled up behind me and at least gain those, you know, out to you guys and giving my thoughts on it. I know there are a lot of people out there that have done a ton of great reviews on them, and I don't think I can bring anything new to the table other than maybe my short opinion. But I enjoy making these videos for you, and as long as you keep hitting that like button and keep subscribing and just keep watching, I will keep making these videos. And yes, still in the back of my brain, come on, Dave, come on, you can do it, man, come on. Thanks, Leon. I will see you guys all in the next video. As usual, YouTube, peace.